Hey cookie lovers! So today we're going to be talking about royal icing consistency. So I posted a poll just to see what you guys wanted to see more of, and a lot of people chose royal icing consistency. So let's get to it. And don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that I post. Today I will be decorating a champagne bottle and a cake using the same consistency icing. First I am starting off with the royal icing that I made a couple of days ago. It's settled, so I'm just giving it a quick stir to get it all blended together again. This is the consistency of my royal icing coming out of my mixer. It's not very stiff and it's not loose either. So I am splitting up this icing so I can color it. I will be mixing the same consistency, which is an outline flood consistency, which means I can use one bag to outline and flood the cookies. This color is called mauve, and I love the shade of purple it makes. So I don't count my icing anymore, but here's a line for those who do, so you can see the icing is still pretty thick. I just add a little water to loosen it up. I like to decorate with more of a thick icing so I can get the icing to flood by moving it with a scribe or with my spoon so I can tell how it will behave on a cookie. And if it's not right, then I just put the icing back in the bowl and add water. Now this process is kind of slow. You just have to have patience to get it how you want. And if it's not moving like you want it to, it can easily be fixed by adding water or adding powdered sugar. So I think we are there. The icing is moving, and if I give the bowl a quick shake, it moves around nicely. I'm doing the same process with my next color, which is gold, and I will be testing the icing just as I did before with the previous color. For the two cookies I will be decorating on this video, I need mauve, gold, and white. Like I said before, I'm using one consistency for two of these cookies, but I also have another video where I explain other consistencies you may want to make, and I'll put that in the description box below. So the gold is just how I want it, and I'm not going to show me mixing the white icing because it's the same as the previous two. I already did the bottom of the cake, so I am filling in the top. I will let that dry and then come back and fill in the middle with gold. I want to have that gold sprinkle look for the center of my cake, so I'm adding some gold sprinkles. You can also let your icing dry, then add clear piping gel and place your sprinkles on the cake like that, which is what I usually do, but I didn't have any clear piping gel. Now this cookie dried overnight, and I mixed some gold powder and vodka to paint over it. I like to color my icing gold whenever I paint on top of it. I also added some lines to the bottom of the cake to make it a little more fancier. And that was with a thicker white icing than I flooded the cake with. I drew some lines on the champagne bottle with an edible marker, and I am flooding it in sections. Be sure to let each section dry before flooding a neighboring section. You can place it in the dehydrator if you have one. To make the foil champagne look for the top of the bottle, I'm using a little dab of icing and adding some powdered sugar to make it stiff. Make sure your champagne bottle has dried overnight before you do this. Using a brush, I'm adding some texture on top of the champagne bottle. Now, once that is dry, using some gold color, paint over the top. And that's it. I hope everyone feels more comfortable with getting that perfect flooding consistency. You all got this. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.